Piaggio Typhoon 50, 1993 to 2020 review. Underseat storage for your lid. The Piaggio Typhoon 50 has been around far longer than many of the teens allowed to ride it. Originally a cutting-edge sports scooter, the lightweight Typhoon is still a lot of fun but is now at the bottom end of the sport's 50 cubic centimeters price scale, making it good value for money. There's a Piaggio Typhoon owners group on Facebook too. The Piaggio Typhoon 50 finally went off sale in 2020. It wasn't replaced. Ride quality and brakes. Surprisingly, for a small-wheel scooter, the Typhoon doesn't feel too nervous. The fat balloon-like tires with a chunky tread pattern calm the handling compared to sportier scooters. They'll also deal with bumping up curbs better, and there's enough grip to enjoy throwing the Piaggio around city streets. The front brake is effective, and the rear drum is brilliant for childish skids. Engine. The Typhoon is very light, which makes the air-cooled Twist & Go feel perkier than it is. In full power form, only legal for those over 17 years old, the Typhoon gets up to 30 miles per hour respectively swiftly, slowing as it winds round to its 50 miles per hour top speed. Restricted, the Piaggio Typhoon 50 engine is as lethargic and dangerous in traffic as any other restricted 50, struggling to get to 30 miles per hour. Reliability and build quality. Piaggio build quality is notoriously poor. Rust, corrosion, and parts failure isn't uncommon. Cheaper build is slightly more forgivable on the budget Typhoon, but make use of the warranty if anything isn't as it should be. We've got no Piaggio Typhoon 50 owners reviews on the site at present. Value versus rivals. In many ways the Typhoon is the best option in the Piaggio 50 cubic centimeters range. It's just as quick, rides well, is plenty of fun and has enough practicality for most teenage buyers, yet costs less. A Japanese scooter will be better built and more reliable, but few are as much fun as the perky Typhoon. Specific rivals include the Aprilia RS50, Peugeot V-Click 50 and Honda Zoomer 50. Equipment. The Piaggio Typhoon 50 accessories list is basic. The dash has a rev counter and a fuel gauge, but no clock. The underseat storage area will accept an open-face helmet or a small full-face. The seat will accept two people in theory. In practice, only a dwarf would fit comfortably, and the engine would struggle with extra weight anyway. Specs. Engine size 49 cubic centimeters. Engine type air-cooled 2-stroke, CVT transmission. Frame type tubular steel cradle. Fuel capacity 5.5 liters. Seat height 775 millimeters. Bike weight 88 kilograms. Front suspension none. Rear suspension none. Front brake 190 millimeters disc, single piston caliper. Rear brake 100 millimeters drum. Front tire size 120/90-10. Rear tire size 120/90-10. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 70 miles per gallon. Annual road tax £22. Annual service cost. New price. Used price. Insurance group 2 of 17. How much to insure? Warranty term 2-year unlimited mileage. Top speed and performance. Max power 4 brake horsepower. Max torque 3.5 ft-lb. Top speed 35 miles per hour. A quarter-mile acceleration. Tank range 120 miles.